This dictation material has been obtained from newspaper para 42. Educational attainment is the most obvious factor that comes to mind when explaining the divergent outcome with regard to labor force productivity across countries. However, it is not the only one. Full stop. The structure of the economy, the type of economic activities engaged in the size of the informal economy, the structure of the labor force in terms of distribution of highly skilled and low and unskilled workers, the state of physical infrastructure and the overall health and nutritional condition of the workforce are all important factors that can also affect overall productivity levels. Full stop. International Labour Organization statistics, while on this particular indicator Pakistan does not appear to score too badly, the number of hours worked does not indicate the productivity of the labor force. Full stop. To measure these indicators such as output per worker or output per hour worked provide a better picture with the latter a preferred indicator where available. Full stop. Unfortunately, on productivity measurements, the Pakistani labor force in aggregate scores extremely poorly. Full stop. According to international estimates, output per worker in Pakistan is roughly 1/10 of the United States, while in India's case it is around 1/6, and for China it is less than 1/5. Full stop. In terms of average annual growth in labor productivity, the figure for the period 2000-2008 is illustrative. Full stop. According to the International Labour Organization, labor productivity during this period measured as GDP per person employed grew at an international average rate of 10.9% for China, 5.1% for India, 4.8% for Vietnam, 3.3% for Malaysia, and 3.1% for Sri Lanka. Full stop. In Pakistan's case, the corresponding figure was a paltry 1.7%. Full stop. Put another way, the productivity of Pakistan's labor force was increasing at roughly 1/3 the pace of India's during this time, and only 1/6 when compared to output per worker in the case of China. Full stop. Another measure of the overall quality of the country. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College Shahadra.